Molweni namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisa Bay Entertainment. Oh guys, ansamsizeli uMakhumalo konini etrenda. So last episode uTarumo Samseleko waveza into yokuba uMakhumalo, she's a diva merely because she feels as though she is more famous than all the other wives, number one, and businesses zakwamseleko nguye ozhandlishayo, and number 3 nguye ofumana wonke ama gigs from, for example, Miladies, Toyota, and yabona nje imali eninzi nguye ayenzayo. So uTarumo Samseleko wathi uMakhumalo uacta ngalendlela aacta ngayo because of izinto ezinhle ke ezimenzelayo. She is acting as the famous diva. Okay, so khona ke omnye usisi expose leyo under post kaTarumo Samseleko. uTarumo Samseleko wadecide ukuyihide i-comment, andazi why engayidilithanga i-comment instead of hiding it, because isekhona even today. This is from i-post ke uTarumo Samseleko wayipostile over i-Eastazi uMacele wayishuma i-favorite yakhe because ke obviously wenza yonke into uTarumo Samseleko athi makayenze, follows all the rules and is humble before him. So wayiposte uMacele ke eshumayela. Kukhona ke usisi owaphendulayo gama lakhe ke nguLelethu Impondo _Impondo. Wathi ke, this is the type of woman I can invite to come speak at major events. So grounded, so spiritual, so matured. She's anointed, there's God's gifts in her. Uchobani ke ucho uMacele. Then ke ajike azothetha ngoMakhumalo athi andiyazi esayenziwa nguMakhumalo in an event we invited her in Mount Frere last year August. Angakhohlwa nje, me and the MC's office are enough with such attitudes from women called to empower each other. Siyanazi phela nina Mazulu nge-tribalism, but uMacele, you know what? She seems genuine and matured. I see why you made her first and great house. Please give us her PA's number. I love how private she is, not even on Instagram. Throwing shade ke kuMakhumalo. She's my type, just a normal person, but regarded of high profile. Ngifuna yena that you say you serve her akaphangeli. So yakhumbula ke uTarumo Samseleko esithi Macele is the last person ukhalaza because akaphangeli bona, and the other 3 wives have to serve her, bamenzela yonke into on a silver platter. So ke uthi usisi ufuna yena because akaphangeli, to give her money more when she comes to speak. Sifuna ukhulisa lesi siphiwo and give her all events that come with asking our officers to pay speakers at events. Then ke wajika wazodila noMakhe. What at Tobile, you can learn a lot here. What you did at that Umzi Mvubu event last year left our community confused. As a result, komkhulu siyakubonga tina, unless given that poor lady a public apology for dashing out while she promised, or I think she was also promised by events that the full amount will be paid, which I argue was too much for someone who was booked for. But angazi, maybe Dr. Patrice spoils us by not changing anything to come speak to us but empower us. Maybe I regarded her superior than you, and I'm sorry for that. At the end, you not a billionaire, like you were also wrong. We're supposed to support ihustle yako, not fighting but showing a grievance and what people needed from a motivational speaker. So according to usisi, uMakhumalo stormed out we-event because wayengayifumananga i-full amount wayeyithenjisiwe. Uthi ndingabo fika ndinokhe kwifestile yemoto yakhe uMakhe, akavule nokuvula upha phezulu encochoyini, akafuni noba si-communicate sithethe ngalento eyenzekileyo, wayengafuni noku-understanda. So that is the attitude ke exposele yona. So guys, nazo ke indaba ze-hour. Mhlawumbe shem uMakhumalo kudala these events organizers zimthembisa uba zizombhadala angabhadaleki. Maybe that's why she ended up storming out. Guys, what are your thoughts? Ndiyacela mas engage neni and uzonibona on my next upload. Bye.